know if you saw this post on social media earlier this morning from a funeral director in Carlow asking anybody who had a spare 45 minutes this morning to turn out to the funeral of Mary Regan in Carlow. And Rory Healy is the funeral director who posted, the request, I suppose, really on social media. Rory's with me on the line this afternoon. Rory, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Andrea.
Why did you post the request, Rory?
Very simply, I wanted to send Mary off, and I'm not alone. I knew Mary through the years, through her late partner, and I wanted someone to be there to send her off, and that she wasn't leaving Carlow because she's going back to Cork for burial, that she wasn't leaving Carlow alone. And I didn't think it was going to get as much publicity as what it has got, but for Mary, for herself, a lovely, quiet woman that she was, it was great that all the people did turn out. A class from the local school also attended the local presentation college, and they took part in the mass and did the offertory procession and things like that. And we had the two local priests as well. It was great to see nearly a full church.